Hi, welcome to my sewing room. So today we have the Fat Quarter Shop's, I forget what it's called, the Table Runner. It's a monthly box for 12 months for with table runners. I can't remember the name of it. Hopefully it's inside. They missed last month because they missed May because of a delay in shipment to them. So they are now skipping May and making this one June. And there is also a correction for this as well. So here it is. This is for June. It's the Table Runner of the Month, Stars and Stripes. That's it. Table Runner of the Month kit. This is Stars and Stripes. It contains the fabric for quilt top and binding. Completed table runner size is 21 by 53. Pattern is by Sandra Workman. And there is a correction, and they did send this with it, which is nice because they sent us an email. I was like, oh no, how am I going to remember that? But now I have the little paper. So it comes in this super nice box. I love these boxes. So after you're done using them, you can use them for all kinds of great things. They're really sturdy and nice. So here is what the table runner looks like. And this tells us all the what we need to do with each fabric, what cuts to make. And here are the directions. Let me put this in here with the directions so I don't lose it. And here is the fabrics. So this pretty red one. And this is just a solid grayish blue color. Got nice white with blue polka dots. And this dark blue with some little crosses on it. I'm sorry, I don't know the price of this. I signed up, I don't think it was last year, I think it was a couple years ago. I signed up for a table runner. And I started doing videos, but I never ended up finished doing that. So, and I guess since I signed up, I got it again. So, which was pretty cool. So I was excited that I was getting them because I did want to make more table runners. They're a lot quicker to do. They're small. And as a beginner, I think that's good. So anyway, I find the price, I'll put it on there, but it is sold out, I believe. I think it started like in April. So this is the Riley Blake Table Runner. You could Google it. I'll put a link to the page, but you could probably Google it, maybe find it for sale, maybe somewhere else, possibly. So that is the Riley Blake Designs 10-year anniversary table runner kit. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.